Hello. Yes, today I'm gonna do another quick video, but today is gonna be about Unit 10, how to start working with Amazon third party. First, if you don't know, you like maybe what is Amazon third party? Amazon third party is like Amazon got the warehouse. Now they hire box truck to take load from the warehouse to post office. So there is two way to get three way. So either you one is you are a big career, you got a lot of truck, and you can have the dedicated work with dedicated ride with Amazon directly, or you can get it through Amazon Relay website, or if you don't want all of those headache, you go through Amazon third party company. Those are company they got dedicated ride with Amazon, then they hire you through a contract. So if Amazon is paying them for, let's say, what, to take a thing from the East Point, that's in Atlanta, East Point to 200 miles away. So maybe Amazon is paying them 600. They will tell you, okay, look, I will pay you for that $300. So that's the difference. So they kind of the middleman, and in that case, you don't have to worry too much and do all the paperwork. No, no. So that's I'm about to do the video on that. So how you find them? These some of them post on Indeed or other job site there, but the easiest and the fastest, the one that I use for our company is Craigslist. Go to your local Craigslist, and then you go on job, scroll down, go to transport, Craigslist transport. Then you write box truck. The main thing is to play with. You see, it gives you few options: box truck driver. This is where it will show you people who are looking for driver for the box truck, or the box truck owner operator. That's the one you wanna click, look at, because you are owner operator. If you got your own truck and you got your authority like MC, DOT, and insurance. Box truck contractor, check that too. Owner operator box truck, check box truck too. So basically, I try all of those: one, two, three, four, and five. Those are the ones. Sometimes some of them will even post in the box truck. So let's go with box truck owner operator. That's no CDL. Most of the time, think like that. Those are truck owner operator. So the main thing, you gotta be really patient. So just keep looking at it. Okay, this one is for furniture, so that's not the one we're looking for. But that's basically where you can find a job for your truck if you into that type of for furniture. Personally, we don't like that because it's hard on the back. So, well, this is for just a driver. He's looking for the driver basically. Sorry, I'm having a call. Owner operator of 26. So yeah, you see, looking for owner operator with 24 or 26 food truck to fulfill Amazon routes. So, and you see, 1,500 to 2,500 weekly. So basically, they pay you per route from like anywhere from 180 to up to 500 a day, and most of them is 6 days a week. And the peak is starting soon in October, so it's gonna be probably 7 days a week until the, so you see too, Amazon need 24. So that one there, they didn't put the number. So basically, that case, you just respond them by Craigslist. but this one, let's see if he put his number. Okay, I like those kind of one. They have the number on it, they got the email. So you send them an email or you go on the website. So this one is one of it. So you need 24 foot. So, and one tips that I have to give it to you, when you contact them, don't just call them one time or just send them one text. No, because they get so many requests, and half of it or 70% of it don't go through the process. So it's kind of a waste of time. And with the peak season starting soon, they're busy. So they're gonna just respond to the person who insists, who show they're really looking for the work. So text them, uh, call them morning and evening, and send them a text message explaining, oh, this is Mimi, text reaching out from, and state the name of your company. Present yourself as a business. Because I realize when I say, oh, this is Mimi reaching out to see if you got working stuff, they don't respond. The response, I don't get answer fast. But when I act like I say, okay, this is Mimi reaching out on the behalf of our company's Kadima Transport LLC. So we got a few box truck, and we were wondering if you can send us the link to apply for a job with you. That they see that is the business and you really want the work. So when you send them a text message, I will not stop there. The evening I will send a text message. So every day until they respond to me, I would send them my text. I will call them twice a day, morning and evening, and I will text them twice a day at least. And in the text message, include the email, your phone number, and tell them also that you got all your authority, your MC and DOT. So that's one of the things. So let's take an example of, you see, that's, you go to your great list and there is a lot, there is more work, there is always somebody looking for sugar. You see, this is another one. This one is different from the one we just saw. So case like this, they didn't put the phone number, but they put this form. So you can fill out this form. See, it puts your name, your DOT for them to check and see. So if it's this case, I will fill it up. But like I say, I will also send an email. In this case, they didn't put the phone number. So you click here, reply. Okay, anytime soon. Okay, when you do reply, you got two ways. You can either go directly to the Gmail, or usually what I do, I'll just copy this, and I'll go to my email, put it in my email and stuff like that. So, and send them an email, introduce yourself, leave your phone number, your email again. You got a company, this. So this is the part that you copy and paste into your email. Okay. So that's the way you get in touch with the one that doesn't put the number in it. So since the peak is starting, believe me, come here every single day. And they're gonna be some that are gonna try to take advantage of you. Like last year, I remember when we started in December, there were a company that was that told us that they're gonna pay us $100 to do a rod that was 100 and something miles, 100 a day. I'm like, no, that doesn't even pay our gas. And thank God my husband was the one driving it. So don't let them. This one is another one. That's Koreanet. That's not Amazon. You see how much they paying weekly. So, but those they local. So you're gonna pay less in insurance and on insurance and stuff like that. So if that's the route, and usually they use smaller box truck or something, So if that's the route, Courier Express, they in lot of states. So you can check out your states. The why, because some people they ask me why we don't do the over the road or stuff like that. Okay, those one two, they're a good company for if you want to do furniture and stuff like that. They pay really good. All right, so like I say, just play around with those criteria, and sometimes you find the same. You see, that's some people they will just post it, but some they will post in a lot of them. This is Expo, I bet this this is a OTR. So if you want to do OTR, this is the case. So play around. This is how you find contract for your box truck. Yeah, Expo again. Yeah, so this is so that's yeah, this is another way. So if you into, I like Amazon because it's a lot easier and no headache. Like the third party, you got a job, and from October to like into March, you basically they got work for you 7 days a week. So if you like me, you don't have a lot of time to come because I got another job and my husband is doing these things. So I don't have a lot of time to be on load board and stuff like that and trying to bid on load and stuff like that. So that's why we went this route. And honestly, I mean, you gotta look at it the point where you're coming from. So if you're coming from like us, from making less than 1,000 a week to 26, 2,400 a week per truck. So do the math, add it up. It added up if you got more than 3 trucks. So that's less headache and you don't have to worry too much about reading and everything. Okay, so that was all I got for you for the box truck, how to find a third party company, Amazon third party company, how to find a job with them. Good luck and let us know how it go for you.